1, 2, 3, yeah! Baby.
I hate to say this, but this place ain't got nothing but a bunch of grenades in here. But, like I said, man, you get that camera out of my face. Fuck. Man, you guys are silly motherfuckers, aren't you? But this is basically our outtakes of what we're doing for our new show. Man, fuck. Man, we gotta get Christy involved in this. You don't want to be involved.
Now you're involved. Now you're involved.
Like I said.
Now you're involved.
But, you know what? I like doing this all the time, but not really. What can I say? I don't know. I'm bored.
Use it as a blackmail.
Okay.